This lecture, we're going to see the topic of mobile internet protocol. It is designed to allow the mobile device users to move from one network to another network by maintaining their permanent IP address. It adds a mechanism for forwarding the internet traffic to mobile devices when they are connecting through other home network. The mobile internet protocol has home agent with the mobile node and the foreign agent. The home agent with the mobile node is termed as home network. The foreign agent with the mobile node is termed as foreign network. Terminologies in the mobile internet protocol. First one, mobile node. It is a system that may be an end system which can be laptop with antennas, mobile phones or routers. Second one, correspondent node. The correspondent node is either a fixed node or a mobile node acting as a partner for the communication. Third one, home network. It is the network to which the mobile node is configured. Within this, mobile IP is not needed in the home network. Fourth one is foreign network. It is the network at which the mobile node is currently present. Fifth one is foreign agent. It is a default router of the foreign network to the mobile node. Sixth one, care of address. It defines the current location of the mobile node. The data is actually addressed to the care of address, not to the IP address. And last is home agent. It is located in the home network. It maintains a location registry for mobile node. The tunnel of data transmission starts at this home agent. It can be implemented on a router or an arbitrary node in the subnet. Next, this diagram indicates the IP packet delivery. In this, if a correspondent node CN wants to send a IP to the mobile node, the CN does not need to know anything about the mobile node current location and sends the packet as usual to the IP address of mobile node. The internet does not have any information on the current location of mobile node, routes the packet to the router responsible to the home network of mobile node. This is done using the standard routing mechanism. The home agent now intercepts the packet knowing the mobile node is currently not in the home network. This packet is not forwarded to the subnetwork but encapsulated and tunneled to the care of address. A new header is put in front of the old IP header showing that care of address as a new destination and home agent as a source of encapsulated packet. The foreign agent now decapsulates the packet, that is, remove the additional header and forwards the original packet with correspondent node as a source and mobile node as a destination. Again, for the mobile node, mobility is not visible. It receives the packet with the same sender and receiver address as it have done in the home network. The mobile node sends the packet as usual with its own fixed IP address as a source and correspondent node as a destination. The router with the foreign agent acts as a default router and forwards the packet in the same way. Thank you.